Hey, today we're going to talk about 3 ways that you can get a better payment with today's interest rates and everything. Number one is you can buy down the rate. So let's say you're buying an FHA house and it's 3.5% down, or conventional and it's 5% down. You can always buy that rate down. Now, you don't want to do that if you're only planning to be in the house a couple of years. But if you are planning to be this like, hey, long-term house that you're keeping, then buying down the rate may work, and be the right move to lower that payment. Number two is what everyone knows is better credit equals, a better payment. So, and that's true. But, sometimes that's not always possible, but a lot of lenders, what you can do is if you're interested in buying, hey, I'm interested in starting the process. Let's your lender or your agent, let's look at your credit. Let's see if there's anything that can be paid off or paid down, that would help that interest rate, that credit score adjust to get a little bit better rate. Sometimes there's not, sometimes there is. But do not just start closing accounts without talking to your lender, because that can also negatively affect your credit. And you don't want to like, hey, great, I paid all this off and closed these accounts, and you actually cause you not to be able to buy the house there. The third way is, believe it or not, your payment will go up, but the interest rate that you're paying will go down. Is do a 15-year. You do a 15-year, put 20% down so that you're not getting hit with some of the PMI insurance or anything. That can cause your payment goes up, but your rate goes down. And on a 30-year or 15-year instead of a 30-year, I saw an analogy just the other day where they were showing the payment difference at the end of the two. And the person with the 30-year actually paid $70,000 more at the end of their loan for the exact same house. So just from making the payments, and the payments were a couple of $100 more each month, but the interest rate was so much better over on the 15. And they're not paying another 15 years. It's paid off in 15. They own it. So anyways, I am Dustin Woodley with Camelot Properties. If any of this is something that you would like to discuss more, or discuss and look into buying a house, please call, text, or email us. Let's have a conversation. If you at all think it's the right thing to do right now, let us know. We'd love to help you. Again, Dustin Woodley with Camelot Properties. Thank you.